Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Now let us see lesson number 2, real numbers, and its practice set 2.1. So let us see practice set 2.1. Question number 1. Classify the given decimal form into terminating type and non-terminating type. So let us see number 5. 11 upon 6. So 11 is bigger than 6. Therefore, 11 divided by 6. Now 6 is smaller than 11. Now see the 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is bigger than 11, so we can't take. So 6 1 are 6. So 11 minus 6, that is remained 5. Now 6 cannot divide to 5, therefore here we have to take 0 and here we have to take point. Now in 6 table we have to find 50 or before 50. So 6 8s are 48. So before this 50, we got 48. 6 8s are 48. Now 50 minus 48, that is 2 remain. Now again 6 cannot divide to 2. Therefore here we have to take 0 and find out 20 in 6 table or before this number. So 20 is not there in 6 table. Therefore 6 3s are 18. Now 20 minus 18, that is remainder. We got 2. And again 2 is smaller than 6. 6 cannot divide to 2. Therefore here we have to take 0. Now we got 20. Again 6 3 that 18. 20 minus 18, that is we got remainder 2. Again we have to take 0. Again 6 3 are 18. Now see, process never end and remainder is not 0. Process never end and here remainder is not 0. 0. 20 minus 18, that is we got remainder 2. And see, this number 3 is coming again and again. That means 3 is recurring means coming again and again after this decimal point. So we got 1.8333 and so on. Therefore answer 11 upon 6, that is 1.8333 and so on, and therefore 11 upon 6 is of non-terminating type. Non-terminating means process never ends. Non-terminating, recurring. Recurring means after this decimal point, these numbers are coming again and again. Non-terminating, recurring type. So it can be written as 1.8333 and so on. That is 1.83 dot. This number 3 is coming again and again, therefore 1.83 dot. So this is the answer, and therefore this example is of this type, non-terminating recurring type. Now let us see next question from practice set 2.1. Question number 2. Write the following rational numbers in decimal form. In decimal form means in this form. We have to write answer. So we have first example 127 upon 200. So 127 is smaller than 200. Therefore, here 127 divided by 200. Now we know that the 2 stable. 2 ones are 2. So first you have to write 2 stable. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. So after two zeros are there. So after 2 we have to put 2 zeros. After 4 also 0, 2 zeros. Next number also 2 zeros we have to put. Now we got 200s table. We got 200s table. Now we can solve this example. Now see in 200 table, 127 is not there. 127 is smaller than 200. So 0, 127 minus 0, that is 127. Now we have to take 0. We have to take here point. Now here we got 1270. See in 200 table, 1270, 1270 is there or not? See here 1200 is there and here 1400. So we can't take this number. Before this number 1200. So 206 are, see 201, 200 into 2, 200 into 3, 200 into 4, 200 into 5 and 206 are 1200. Therefore 1200. So we can do subtraction. 0 minus 0, 7 minus 0, that is 7. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. That is 12 minus 12, 0. Now here we got 70. 70 is smaller than 200. Therefore here we have to take 0. See in 200 table 700 is there? No. So before this number 600 is there. 200 3s are 600. Now 700 minus 600, that is we got 100. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. 7 minus 6, that is 1. So here we got 100. Now again 200 is smaller than 200 and therefore we have to take 1 0 and see in 200 table 1000 is there. 200 ones are 200, 200 twos are 400, 200 threes are 600, 200 fours are 800, 200 fives are 1000 or 1000. Now 1000 minus 1000, that is 0. Now here remainder becomes 0. Process end. This is an example of terminating type. And we got answer in decimal form, that is 0.635. 0.635. Now let us see next example of question 2 in next video, and don't forget to write this example in your notebook. Bye. Take care.